Hello and welcome to another UltraTech product training session. Today we're talking about the Ultra-Containment Berm Modular Model, also known as the Gorilla Berm. The modular model and all the other containment berms fall into a general product category known as flexible spill containment. The flexible refers to the coated fabric or geomembrane liner that is used to contain the leaks and spills. This material is heavy duty enough to withstand trucks, forklifts, frac tanks, and all the abuse seen on site, yet has the ability to be folded or rolled for easier shipping, handling, and storage. The modular model uses coated foam blocks to build the perimeter of the containment area, and a coated vinyl fabric liner to contain any leaks or spills. Once the liner is in place and lined up, it can be secured to the foam blocks using rebar or steel rod. This video clip shows the main steps in quick succession. The perimeter is built, the liner put in place on top of the foam blocks, and then rebar is inserted. When vehicle wheels, drums, or other weight is placed on top of the sidewall, the foam compresses and allows easy entry or exit. Once the weight is removed, the foam retains its original size and shape, providing a secure containment area. For this reason, the modular model is considered a true drive-in, drive-out berm. In other words, there is no manual manipulation of the sidewalls required to enter or exit the berm. You can simply drive in or drive out. The unique thing about this model, and as its name indicates, is that it's the only ultra-containment berm that can be modified in size. So if you need a smaller containment area, you can simply remove some of the foam blocks. If you need a larger area, you can add as many foam blocks as needed and buy a larger liner and you're good to go. The other advantage of this is that misplaced or damaged foam blocks can be easily replaced. As you might imagine, ultra-containment berms endure some very harsh conditions, and as rugged as they are not indestructible and may need repair from time to time. There are two options for repair kits. The simplest one is a large 11 by 36 inch piece of material that can be used to patch up small holes and tears. The only other tool that is needed, which is not included, is a heat gun. There is a link below to a video that demonstrates the process of making a repair. For larger repairs or for companies that have a number of containment berms, we have a full repair kit. This comes with all the items pictured here: a heat gun, a hand roller, replacement handles, 50 various patches, and a toolbox. So why would you choose the modular model instead of one of the other models? Versatility. As mentioned earlier, it is a true drive-in and drive-out berm, so there's nothing to do in terms of setting up or taking down a wall. The foam blocks have no moving parts, and as mentioned before, they can be removed or added in order to make a different size or shaped containment area. Why wouldn't you choose the modular model? If you don't want to have to build your containment berm or you don't want multiple components to keep track of, the modular model is probably not the best solution for you. Other products to consider? The Rapid Rise model is a true drive-in and drive-out berm that has sidewalls that lay flat unless there's something to contain. In the event of a spill, foam around the top perimeter will float on the liquid and automatically raise the sidewalls to the needed level. Another option is the Ultimate model. This is also a true drive-in, drive-out berm that uses flexible urethane stakes at the entry and exit walls to allow quick and easy access. There are links below to both of these products should you care to look into them further. Thank you for your attention. Look for other product training videos on our YouTube channel.